Everyone is saying be you. You probably say it to your students and peers all the time, and it sounds awesome in theory, but it is very difficult to do when that real you is buried under a lifetime of fears, insecurities, and trauma. It holds you back from reaching those big goals you set, creating strong connections, and being a great leader. Hey guys, I am Jonathan George, and I empower leaders just like you to rock your authentic selves. I am the CEO of Unleash Your Rockstar, and we are a personal branding agency, and our clients have over 150 million online followers. And that's not because they are the most talented. It's because they know exactly why and how they are showing up. I created a special program just for educators called Rock My Campus to help you scale your career and impact education and in the classroom. I believe that rockstar educators create rockstar students. I want you to click that link below and get registered. This 3-hour workshop can change the trajectory of your career. I will see you February 22nd.